Ladies and gentlemen, here's an easy recipe of our lasagna pie, or just lasagna. If you want to have it as lasagna, that's okay. So today I was craving something warm, something creamy, something cheesy, just something satisfying, and I thought, why not a lasagna pie? So in your pan, you'll add a spoon of olive oil, then you saute your onion and your garlic, then you add your mince. You season it with your favorite seasoning. Then you add your stock cube, your herbs, a squid of tomato paste, and you let everything cook for 2 minutes just to blend in flavors. Then you add your tomatoes and you let everything simmer for 25 minutes. In another pot, I boiled my lasagna sheets. Then I started preparation of my bechamel sauce. So in a pan, I melted some butter, then added flour, and gradually added some milk. So in the sauce, you are allowed to use garlic if you like. It does bring in that lovely flavor, but I chose not to use it. So once your bechamel sauce is ready, you start stacking your lasagna. So I used 3 layers, but you are more than welcome to use more or less. It's up to you. So I started with mince, then followed by my lasagna sheets, then mince again, then my bechamel sauce, then mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Then I repeated the process until at the top. On top, I added some Parmesan cheese because I wanted that golden brown color once my lasagna is cooked. Oh my God, look at how beautiful this lasagna looks. And this is just before it goes to the oven. It's already giving delicious. Oh my God, I love it already. So we'll cover it with foil, then off to the oven for 25 minutes. Once it's ready, we uncover the foil, then back again to the oven for 20 minutes. Then we move over to the pastry. So yeah, I know this is kind of unnecessary, but I love playing around with designs. So please be patient with me. You'll see the vision. Oh my God, look at how beautiful this lasagna came out. I feel like eating this lasagna right now. Look at how beautiful it is. It looks so delicious. So yeah, we'll cut a portion of our lasagna. Then we put it on top of our pastry. Then we brush some egg wash at the end so that it makes our sealing very easy. Then we wrap it and roll it very nicely. Then we put our designer pastry on top, and I hope the vision is clear. And this is something I just thought of, and so far it's working perfectly. So we'll brush some egg wash on top, then cut smaller pieces of thyme. Then we put them in all the holes, then off to the oven for 20 minutes. And now our tune has changed. We are no longer saying it's lasagna, only it's lasagna pie. And it came out as intended. Then we cut some smaller pieces on top. And yeah, you remember I did say you can serve this as lasagna or lasagna pie. So you have 2 options, and all these are delicious and they are looking good. This was very, very delicious. Please try this at home and let me know what you think in the comment section. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all chocolate love.